Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to set up a screen lock on your Google Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL and any other Pixel device running the latest Android 16 or 15 version. When you purchase a new device, you must set a screen lock on your device to secure your phone data or your important or personal data from the other person. So you need to set up a secure lock on your device like a PIN, pattern, password or fingerprint unlock or face unlock. So let's see how to set up a screen lock or how to lock your Pixel 10 series. So open the app drawer on your device, tap the settings app. Now scroll down up to security and privacy. Tap on security and privacy. Here you can see set a screen lock. For added security, set a PIN, pattern or password. So tap on the set a screen lock, or you can scroll and tap on the device unlock option. So tap on it. Here you can see the screen lock option, add PIN, pattern, password or swipe, fingerprint, face unlock. If you have Google Pixel Watch, you can set it here. Also enable theft protection that will lock device screen if the theft is detected. So let's see, first up set up the screen lock on Pixel device. Now list of the option you can set on your Google Pixel 10 as a screen lock, like a non-current screen lock, swipe. So you need to just swipe to unlock a device, pattern, PIN or password. Password is the most strongest security, lock screen security, but here we select the pattern option. Now set a pattern to unlock your device. So here we set pattern, like we draw the L, tap on a next button. Now draw pattern again to confirm it on your device, tap on a confirm. Now set the what do you want your lock screen show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlock, or don't show notification at all. So select the option for notification and tap on a done option. Now set the screen lock on your device. So lock your Pixel 10 or any other device, and whenever you try to unlock, you need to draw your pattern, screen lock pattern you set. So just draw the pattern and your device is unlocked. So screen lock is the most important settings for your purchased phone or latest phone or any other device. So just set it you want, like a PIN, pattern or password. That's it. Thank you for watching this.